Make a great choice today with the 2018 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, steel wheels, privacy glass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.